Hello and welcome to the Watch Kaki channel where we bring you all the good and honest watch reviews. And in today's video, obviously we're not going to do a watch review. Instead, I'm going to say hi to you this way, the real me, face to face, because this morning we are very happy to announce that we have passed the 2,000 subscribers mark. And earlier on in my channel, I said that I will do such a face review when the subscribers mark hits 2,000, and here I am. As you know, there's a real person behind the camera, and this person, does have a pair of eyes, a nose and a mouth, and he can talk. And we're gonna do this video in a sort of a self-interview kind of method. So I've prepared a list of questions that you may want to ask, and I'm going to self-ask and self-answer, and hopefully, you know more about me through this video. Well, as you can see, I'm a regular guy. Like you, I just love watches. My name is Andy. I'm from Singapore, and you'll be surprised, for a very tiny country, we do have a very vibrant watch collecting community. So we've got plenty of fans out there and many micro brands coming out of Singapore, and I'm just proud and very happy to be part of this. Oh, well, I started this channel because I think that I can do it, alright? And that's why I started it sometime late last year. So I think I don't want to look back in 5 or 10 years, thinking that I could have done it myself, a watch review channel. So I made the first move, got my camera, bought some paid apps, and here I am after about 80 to 90 videos, and I really hope the channel will continue to grow. Yes, I did have some questions about the name of my video channel and what it means. The Watch Kaki, alright? What does the word kaki mean? Okay, well, it is a local slang and it simply means buddy. Alright, so when we talk about buddy or kaki, alright, so it means if you're playing tennis or if you play football, you are looking for a buddy, and normally we'll say, do you have kakis to play with you, play tennis with you? So here I am, I'm your watch buddy, but I'm going to put a local twist to things, so I call myself the Watch Kaki. I'm your friendly watch buddy from Singapore. Well, now that we've passed the 2,000 subscribers mark, I know it doesn't mean very much. We've got plenty of YouTubers out there with a million subscribers, but for me, I think we're taking baby steps, and right now I think as we move on, I may do more videos like this where I show myself and I speak to you, I share with you what kind of watch I'm wearing or what I've collected, and we'll see how it goes. The videos will continue to come in at least once a week, and I do hope you support the channel and like my content. Of course not. I can't afford to buy every single watch that I've reviewed on my channel. Large bulk of the watches that I receive for reviews, they are on loan. They're loaned to me by my friends, or also from brands themselves, independent brands themselves, or even watch dealers and boutiques. Alright, so I also like to take this opportunity to say thank you to those of you who have loaned me your watches. Alright, to the merchants who generously loan me your watches. You know who you are, alright? Eric, Ivan, alright, so you've been very generous and kind, and I really thank you for your support. And to all the brands and dealers that I've contacted, I know you haven't been replying me because you feel that my channel is not too big. No worries, I really hope to work with you guys in the future. Alright, this is a very interesting question. Now, who is George? Right now, George is this guy here. He's part of the family. He's been with me for the past, I think, 6 to 7 years, and when I started the channel, I used the table to do my video reviews, and George was just really nearby, so I grabbed him, and he's been my mascot ever since. Alright, I've promoted him to become my assistant, and I tell you, George is a very discerning watch collector. He's more or less a connoisseur. Hello, George. Well, of course, I look up to many of the watch reviewers on YouTube. I learned a lot from them. I even emailed these people and I got some advice. Thank you very much, Mark of Average Bros. You have been very helpful. I think you were one of the few who bothered to reply and actually gave advice on how to get started on a watch channel. Thank you very much. Other names include Bruce Williams, Random Rob, Jody from Just One More Watch, alright, and also Watch Collection Strategy, a few others. Alright, I really thank you, for leading the way. You guys are doing great jobs. Alright, now people like Random Rob, the amount of content that he's rolling out is just insane. Alright, I wish I could be like you one day. Alright, and of course Bruce Williams, you've been doing really good content, so I really learn from you guys. So I'd like to take the time to wish you guys have a great year ahead. I know the year hasn't been very good to us, lots of surprises, lots of uncertainties, but I wish that everything will be improved in the new year and you guys can have more watches, more fun, buy more watches, more watch trading, just lots of fun with this hobby. Alright, and once again, I'm the Watch Kaki from Singapore. I'm gonna see you soon. Stay tuned, come back to my channel. George and I, we're gonna say goodbye for now. Okay, bye bye.